Can money truly buy happiness? A question as old as currency itself. A query that has sparked countless debates, inspired numerous songs, and been the subject of many a philosophical discourse. Yet, the answer remains elusive, shrouded in the complexities of human emotion and desire. Imagine for a moment a millionaire living in a luxurious mansion, driving the latest supercar, dining at five-star restaurants. A picture of success, of wealth, and to many of happiness. But is it? Does the gleam of gold truly bring joy? Or is it merely a facade, a gilded mask hiding the true face of contentment? Contrast this with the life of a simple farmer, working the land from dawn to dusk. His wealth is not measured in dollars and cents, but in the fruits of his labor, the love of his family, and the tranquility of his rural life. His pockets may not be heavy with gold, but his heart is filled with joy. Is this not a form of happiness that money cannot buy? Consider the story of John, a Wall Street tycoon. He amassed a fortune that many could only dream of. Yet, he found himself feeling empty, unfulfilled. He had every material possession he could ever want, but he felt devoid of joy. It was only when he started to use his wealth to help others, to make a positive difference in the world, that he found true happiness. On the other hand, there's the story of Maya, a school teacher from a small town. Her salary was modest, she lived in a small apartment, yet she found immense happiness in her simple life. Her joy came from teaching her students, from the smiles on their faces when they understood a new concept, from the satisfaction of knowing she was making a difference in their lives. So can money buy happiness? The answer is as complex as the question itself. Yes, money can buy material comfort and security, and these can contribute to a sense of happiness. But true, lasting happiness comes from within, from meaningful relationships, from doing what you love, from making a difference in the world. Money is a tool, a means to an end, but it is not the end itself. The key to happiness lies not in the pursuit of wealth, but in the pursuit of fulfillment. Remember the millionaire and the farmer, John and Maya. They all found their happiness not in their bank accounts, but in their hearts, in their actions, in their lives. So perhaps the question we should be asking is not, can money buy happiness? But rather, how can we find true, lasting happiness in our lives? And that, dear friends, is a journey each of us must embark on, with or without the weight of gold in our pockets.